they're on the property. Big thanks to them. They came all the way out to put on a show and have some fun with us today here at Winterport Dragway. And we're going to go ahead and have them run their own race today. They'll have their own class, their Flathead class. And that'll be going on along with our regular bracket program going on today as well. You can check that out on Plymouth Rock TV is here on the property. You can find them on Plymouth Rock TV or Roku, along with Apple TV, Amazon Fire, and Distro TV. You can actually check them out for coverage here at the track you can get it right now actually, right on your iPhone or Android. All you got to do is go to your app store and look for Plymouth Rock TV on your app store and download the app, and you can check it out there. At 53 miles an hour for the car there. That is a Flathead 4-cylinder car that just made that fast at 1226. They are on the property today doing all kinds of recordings for not only the Pine Tree Jamboree, but also getting it out and getting the word out for Winterport Dragway, because they are worldwide. Plymouth Rock TV is. And big thanks to them for being here as well. Big thanks to all you guys for being here.